Yes, thank you very much for being connected and learning spoken English with my channel. My dear friend, today I am going to talk about most important things, which is very important, and this is also questions for thousands and millions of learners when they learn English. Whenever you are learning English, so you lost your motivations and you lost your confidence and you become blank. So why this is happening? You know why this is happening? Because English is not our language. We are living in multilingual society where people are not speaking English. So we will face problem, right? So like when somebody said to you in classroom, or you please tell me about this topic, you please tell me about that topic, so you can't able to speak, or you become blank, or you lost your confidence. Why this is happening? Or whenever you are giving your interviews to the HR, or you are going to any places, any public places where people ask your opinion, your point of views, so you forget what to speak. Or whenever you are speaking with HR gives you any task to speak, so you stop at any moment. You speak two lines or three lines. After that, you stop. You become blank. You lost your confidence. If this thing is happening to you, so that's okay, because English is we are not native speaker. We are not living in English society, so we will face problem. For that, what you have to do, right? Why you lost your confidence? Why you become blank? Because until unless we don't have material, we don't know about the sentence structure, we don't know the vocabularies, we don't know the words, and we don't know how to formation of the words, and there are lots of things which we don't know. So how we can able to speak English? We can't able to speak until unless we don't have material. We will not able to share our point of views. We will have always problem. We will always face problem. We don't have words, we don't have sentence structure, so we always face problem. My dear friend, English is not my language. English is not my first language. English is not my second language. English my third language. But even living in multilingual society, I understand what to do and how to do. Yes, as I told you that I don't have vocabularies, I don't have words, I don't have sentence structure. So I will always face problem. I will lost my motivations. I will lost my confidence, and obviously I can't able to share my feelings and thoughts because I don't have words. So these are the very most important things which you should have. Until unless you don't have vocabularies, you don't have words, you don't know how to format the sentences, or you are living where people are not speaking, so you will always face problem. So what you have to do, you have to gather the informations. You need to have the words power, you need to understand certain kind of vocabularies, and you know how to make the sentences, and you have to think in English. Whenever you know lots of vocabularies, so at a time of speaking you will able to share your point of views, because you know. Until unless you don't know the things, so you automatically you will lost your motivations, and you will lost your determinations, and you will become blank. Why you become blank? Because you don't have words, you don't have sentence structure, you can't able to make the sentences. So this would happen. So you need to do practice. You need to think in English. Like you are formatting the sentences, you are formatting in sentences in Hindi to English, so it taking lots of timing, and automatically it is very difficult process, very complex process. So what you need to do, you have to just understand, you have to make the words formations, and the more you are understanding the vocabularies, and you are learning different kind of vocabularies, it will strengthening yourself. So you need to format the sentences as much as possible, and which you need to follow. So you have to gather the informations, and because of you are not habitual to speak English, so that is why you are losing your confidence and you become blank. So you need to take initiatives. Wherever you are in the classroom, you can share your point of views, you can think in English, and try to observe a thing, try to make the words and formations, and you have to completely involve yourself on those areas. Then it can be possible, otherwise it is little difficult. My dear friend, learning any language, you must give your time you must practice as much as possible. The more you are doing practice, definitely things can be possible. So as I told you, the most important thing about losing the confidence and becoming the blank, because we don't have materials, we don't have things to speak. Until unless we don't have that things, then how we can able to speak, or we are not habitual to speak. Here English is my third language. This is how I have developed, because until unless you don't have the things, you don't have informations, you don't know how to express yourself. Maybe you are giving your interviews and you are talking about a certain kind of certain point of things or topics, but you don't, because of you don't have vocabularies, because you don't have the things to speak, so you will stop. When you stop, then you will feel nervous, you get nervousness, and you will lose your motivations, and there are lots of things will happen. So you need to practice as much as possible. You are doing practice, talking with the people, taking initiatives, and it would understand by your mind, and then definitely you will get to know about, yes, this is this is important and this is what I have to do, and yes, I need to see the change. Whenever you speak one sentences or two sentences, then after that you need to understand in a different prospects, right? Whenever you speak one line, two line, so you should be thankful about yourself. Yes, I have spoken and I am very glad. Try to take initiatives. The more you do practice, definitely you will learn the things. My dear friend, you need to understand, right? Always remember, it will take some time. It will take your time, it will take your efforts. If you are putting your time and understanding, and definitely it will be improvement. And you don't have to compare yourself with anybody. Anyone can speak good, anyone can speak not that much good, but you don't have to compare. Your consistency and your hard work always count in your learning for developing your communication skills. So you have to spend your time and you have to understand the things, and you don't have to give up. Each and every moment you have to take out any kind of point of views, you can take out any kind of topics, and you are going to speak with those topics. Whatever comes in your minds, definitely you can share your point of views, and you will feel great. And whenever you feel great, so that motivations will build up in your heart, it will build up in your brain, and then after that you will not face problem that I can't able to speak, or what shall I do for speaking. Wherever you are going, you are whenever you are in classroom or in meeting, or you are taking briefing, or you are holding various kind of positions, so you can able to speak and you can share your point of views. To take initiative and push yourself, yes, I need to speak and I need to do hard work, and yes, I have to learn. So the more you are learning and understanding will give you chance to become better speaker. And one thing, don't worry about that I will do mistake, I will do some grammatical mistake, or my accent is not good, I write vocabularies is not coming. You don't have to worry about all these things. Don't worry about, because you are doing practice. Nobody is going to kill you, nobody is going to criticize about you. If somebody is criticize you, so let them criticize. Your job is to practice, your job is to speak, your responsibility is to share your point of views. You never worry about what kind of vocabularies are you using, or I'm speaking wrong English, I'm doing mistake, and my accent is not good, or pronunciation is not coming. Don't stop yourself about this kind of thinking. Stop it everything, and your job is to speak, and you have to speak, right? So because nobody is going to accuse you, nobody is going to abuse you, because you are doing practice. We are living in our country, so we know that even whenever you visit abroad, so where you are speaking wrong English, your grammatical is not correct, so people don't indulge yourself in those activities. They want you to speak, and you are speaking, and they are understanding you. So don't worry about anything. Gradually, slowly, definitely your communication skill will be improved. And don't worry about that you are coming from poor background, or you are coming from lower backgrounds, or where people don't speak English. No, everything, anything which is stopping you, which is holding you, which is giving you a negative sign, negative result, you must leave that. You must, these kind of thoughts should be eliminated. These kind of thoughts we should not think our mind, because we are doing practice. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes improvement. Knowledge is power. Learning is superpower. So you are learning. You are just like we are decorating ourselves with the vocabulary, sentence structure, and formation of the words. We are learning different kind of phrases. All these things are the part of for speaking English. My dear friend, truly I am speaking by my core bottom of heart. This is what I have realized under learning like 5 years. Last 5 years I have been also developing the things. I am learning various kind of things which I never give up. I always strengthening myself, no matter what people saying about my communication skills, no matter what intention they have. I never worry about, because I know if I am doing more practice, I'm learning things in various way, and I'm becoming unstoppable. So definitely, yes, I'm unstoppable, and I will speak, I will share my point of views, and we need to have full confidence about yourself. You have to understand your self-esteem is too high, and you never give up. You never feel any demotivated. So you have to just think about all these things. So definitely one day the day is going to come, and where you are going to speak. You will not think about you. And one thing always remember, don't think about that you are speaking English right or wrong, or and don't think about like whether I'm speaking right or wrong, or I can able to express myself. Never worry about that. People will judge you. Don't think about the people will judge you. People will judge you because you are speaking, and people will give you positive feedback. Those who are positive, they absolutely give you positive feedbacks, and definitely your lifestyle will be changed, and you have been developing your conversations and language. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or years, it is going to be changed, and change is required. Change is important, right? So be consistent. Definitely you will learn, you will change your communication. Don't think about anything. You should watch my another video. Definitely you will get the knowledge and information which is very important and very unique. Thank you so much. My dear friend, most important thing which I have shared with you, that until unless you don't have material, until unless you are not formatting the sentences, you don't know the meaning of the vocabularies. Your vocabularies, you have very limited vocabularies, so you can't able to share your feelings, your expressions, and you will feel blank, and you can't able to speak English. So what you have to do, you have to every day you have to take out the vocabularies and understand the meaning of the vocabularies, and you have to make format the sentences. You need to make the sentences, and you have to think in English. The more you are thinking in English, that means you are recharging your power, you are recharging your confidence, and you are giving positive motivations to your mind. And after that, your language, it will come too much smoothly, and you will not face any kind of problem. So you need to focus what I have just shared with you. Do practice as much as possible. Definitely your communication skill is going to be boosted. So do practice, take initiatives, and never discuss or never compare yourself with anybody. Don't think that this person is speaking too much good, I can't able to speak, I can't able to share my point of views. No, it will take time. That person is speaking that much great way because he has done certain kind of practice. He has gone through certain kind of prospect. There is no comparison between you and that person, so you don't have to compare. Today you are speaking that much good, but tomorrow when you did lots of practice, when you know various kind of things, when you have expression of thoughts, when you become Vasco da Gama, as he explores so many things, so you will be also become like that, and definitely your communication skill will be improved. I am going to share lots of things. Definitely you will become great, and you will learn lots of things. So you don't worry, my dear friend. Stay with us. If you are new, you can subscribe my channel. There are lots of things, lots of content I'm going to bring for you, and that would help you, that will support you, and definitely your communication skill will be improved and you will feel great. Thank you very much for connecting with my channel and learning about all the things. And definitely there are so many things which I have uploaded. Please visit on those videos. Definitely your communication skill will be improved. And my dear friend, as I told you, to having right vocabularies, to know about how to express yourself with those sentences and those vocabularies, you must watch my important videos which I have uploaded regarding to vocabularies. Vocabularies are the unique things. Vocabularies are the weapons through which you can express yourself no matter what you are doing. You are holding meetings, you are taking interviews, or you are expressing yourself in any level, anywhere. Definitely your communication skill will be boosted and you will not face any kind of problem. Be positive, subscribe my channel and learn as much as possible. Definitely things are going to happen. Thank you so much. Have a great and best wishes for your learning. Happy learning. Thank you so much.